driving my car around the neighborhood when all of a sudden I saw two birds in the middle of the road. I know they say in driving books, run over the birds. Don't swerve your car. Don't slam on your brakes, 'cause you could hurt yourself or someone else. But I have empathy. I slammed on my brakes, and I saved the birds' lives. Bird! Bird! But the car behind me wasn't as considerate. It came running over one of the birds, killing it. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. I pulled my car over to the side of the road, and I watched as the second bird came running up to its friend. It began pecking at it. I wonder, do birds have complicated minds? Was the bird grieving the loss of the loved one? Was the bird grieving the loss of its friend? Or was it saying, I'm getting a nice, nutritious, delicious meal. Chuck's insides taste good. What was the bird doing? Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. I like to think birds have complicated minds and they grieve the loss of a loved one. So before you go running over a bird carelessly, remind yourself it might have a family member, it might have a friend. Don't carelessly run over a bird and turn it into roadkill. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound.